Welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. Sunday's round of matches in the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League will close out the campaign for 2024. It could also be the end to a miserable run by some teams who will be welcoming 2025 as it presents them with an opportunity to make the new year better than the one they will be leaving behind.
In time of trouble, a drowning man will clutch at a straw. And that's a position that several struggling clubs will find themselves in as the transfer window is about to swing open. It's no quick fix when it comes to signing players in this window, but at least one club will be hoping they get it right. After 14 matches so far this season, the reading doesn't look good for Humble Lion, who are stuck in the relegation zone with just one victory. And it's for this reason why coach Donovan Dookie believes it cannot be business as usual going forward.
It's no secret at Humble Lion. Humble Lion has not made a transition from probably 2019 to 2020 in respect to how the game has evolved. The game has evolved to quick counter-attack, quick transition, a lot of running from youthful players. They have not made the transition, and now we are in a rebuilding phase. The community, the country, everyone has to understand that this is a rebuilding process for us. Now we are a bit depleted. We have to look in the January transfer to bolster our roster, and then we can move forward, be able to be more competitive.
And as the team continues to perform below par, it also doesn't look good for the coach who knows how hot it can get in the kitchen.
My tenure at the club has to do with the president. They made our decision. What I have to do is focus on what I'm doing. If your intention is to curry chicken and you don't have curry, what will be the result? So no need to play in the mind games with what we are doing. It's evident that we need to change personnel at the club, and if they don't do that, the outcome will be the same.
Humble Lion will play away to Tivoli Gardens in the opener of a doubleheader at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. But the feature match of the day will be Waterhouse hosting leaders Mount Pleasant FA at Drewsland in a 3 p.m. encounter. Waterhouse are currently 5th and 5 points off the leaders, but the Drewsland-based club will be glad that marksman Attaford Bygrave is back among the goals, just in time for the visit of his former employers.
He's working hard in training. I think, that's a league. That's how tough the league is sometimes. When you're the top marksman, people come at you.
The Portmore Derby will see Dunby Holden hosting Racing United. Not much separates the two, as they have picked up a similar number of points, 14, while sharing a -10 goal difference.
I think we fall short about 78 points, but we want to make amends this time around. We start off well this time in the first game for this round. The first round, our Waterhouse defeated us 1-0, but this time around it's a 1-1 draw, so definitely think we're on the right footing going forward.
Arnett Gardens will be at home to Chapelton Maroons. The Junglists are 1 point off the lead and are tipped to take maximum points from this one, although coach Xavier Gilbert is aware of the toll the festive season can have on the players.
This period is a tough period, and as much as possible we want to see if we can maximize the points that are on offer. It's a festive period, and it's always difficult to manage in this period. But we're just going to see how best we can manage and hopefully maximize on the points that are on offer.
Elsewhere on the fixture, Portmore United will host Cavalier at the Ferdinita Park. Harbourview could find themselves in more trouble when they welcome Montego Bay United to the compound. And Vere United are expected to add more to Malays United woes when they meet at the Wembley Centre of Excellence.